Well, welcome to day 14. We're not very good at this. You figured that out by now, by day 14. Good. 14. Gotta like that. Finally getting after this white pine log out in the woods, wedding in the woods. Just in case you're not familiar with it, it is one of the ceremony sites at the Gardens at Castle Rock, and it has a couple of these majestic, I call them heirloom white pine that are well over 100 feet tall. Pretty amazing. Windstorm last year, a branch came out of this one. So this is just a branch that's on the ground here. We're gonna get the two 3x5 20 footers out of here, which is quite nice. And I found another log in the pile, another white pine log in the pile from before that most likely will get the rest of the 1x material. Probably not going to film that because I don't know if you really want to see 3 full videos of us with a chainsaw painfully cutting 1x material. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure this up, get it harvested and get it up to the log yard, so then we can figure out how we're going to tackle it. So that's that. It's a good thing you got that fan or helmet off just in time for lunch. All the cutting we've been doing. If you've been watching up to this point, you probably have questions.
We have questions too.
We have a lot of questions. I know at the end of this whole process, someone's going to ask, would you do it again? Yep. And I would say yes. The whole thing, all these projects that I've done here, we've done, I can't speak for all the projects you've done. There's been a part of, I want to learn something, and making a 20-foot timber with a chainsaw. That's what we're going to do. That's what's happening. Will I do it again? Possibly, if I need one and it's the fastest way. Will I send it out to a sawmill? Will I call up the North House and see if the Johnsons, if they could get us a couple timbers next time? Possibly. But if you remember from the previous videos, these are logs that we harvested. Previous videos.
This video. The beginning.
The beginning of about like 6 minutes ago when you were watching it, we harvested it from site. So it does have that special meaning. Somewhere around here, this is the little Granberg. I think they called it the edging mill for a while. What is it called now?
No, it used to be called the mini mill. Now it's the edging mill.
Now it's the edging mill. So it's one that you haven't seen in the videos as of yet. That's what we're going to be doing. And we're about ready to go take lunch, so don't leave the video. We'll be right back. But after lunch, we'll come back. We're putting down this long, there's 24 feet of 2x6 that we're gonna have here, and that's where the V track, the V groove of that will run. Maybe let's just show you the edger mill. Edging, yeah, has the little V groove right in there, and then they sell this little, do they call this V track?
I think so.
The V track. And it slides right in there, and the chainsaw sits right in there, and then it just slides across there. And that's gonna get us our 20-foot cut. We're gonna go eat lunch. Hang in there. We'll be back. Well, hot diggity, I'll be honest. I always am, you know that. I did not think day 14 was going to be one day where we were going to get the two 3x5 20-footers cut.
You doubted me.
You want to take all responsibility? I'll hand it right over. I mean, we're still running on vacation or banker hours because I think we didn't touch out here till maybe 11 this morning. And the nice thing is it's a little bit later in the year, so the sun's going to be setting shortly. But
been out all day in sweatshirts and
a good day.
Good day.
And smell of white pine.
Takes you right back to Granberg.
I know. So this is the wrap up of day 14 of day 14 of the Build Your Own Timber Frame, continuing on of what we started up at the North House Folk School
In August.
last year. You stopping in there? Somebody's going there in a couple of days. Yeah. Gonna go hang out on the North Shore, watch some ice crinkle.
Yep.
All that fun stuff. But these are what I'm gonna call, I forget what I'm gonna call them. Not fascia. Maybe they are.
Some serious fascia.
It's the... They're
3x5 trim boards.
Yes, they're going up on the end of the rafters. That's what I'm calling it tonight. That's it, because it's all whacked up. There will be a day 15, but I'm not going to film it. There is some cool pieces left over from today's milling. I still have that pile. And then way over there, I dug out from underneath there. Way over there is another 25 foot, probably almost a 16 inch white pine. And so what I have left to do for the 1x6 decking board for the ceiling is about 100 board feet, 100 square feet. So I'm gonna knock that out. If you really want to know what that looks like, how to do that, look at day 12 and 13. So we won't bore you with another video of us milling. Kind of as we did going into lunch. Is there questions? Yeah, I'm sure there is. Leave us a question if
we had questions.
We had questions. Why are you even doing that? Don't they sell that wood? Yeah, you know, it was a pretty cool feeling when we got the first 3 sides done and there was a beam hanging right there. And I think off camera we were just chatting. Yeah, there's other ways maybe. But we learned one heck of a lot, how to tackle some other projects, how to do it differently. Maybe a bandsaw, but it'd be a heck of a bandsaw. Maybe Collins, when he gets his done, as if it's even done, because he's going 24 feet, so this might fit on there. Anyways, we harvested the tree 100 feet over there, maybe 125, brought it over here, and milled up the boards. And then maybe right over there, I can't really see if you can point to it, right there is the timber frame, and they're gonna go on there. So that's kind of the cool part, the story, and learned a lot. I don't know, that's day 14.
Yep.
Day 15 you'll want to watch. We're going to be taking the 20 footers and all the other 3x5s into the shop and starting to get those ready to go up on the timber frame. And I'll get those all ready, and then we'll move the scaffolding over and probably start putting it on. How about that?
Good.
There we go. That's it. Have fun up at North House. Or I should say Granberg.
Granberg, yeah.
Yeah. Well, you'll watch. Have fun up at Granberg. Until the next time, thanks for checking it out. Make sure you check out some of the other videos. Day 14 means there's day 1 through 13. Go look at them. Thanks. Bye. Watch the sunset.